guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out Lusardi Creek Preserve, really doing the loop trail here. I'm gonna do the usual here. So 2.5 miles is what I did in total. You really could do upwards to 3. This is also part of a longer trail that you can actually make it close to 10 miles, even loop it to Black Mountain if you want. So something to consider. I'm gonna put the elevation gain here because my Garmin's still syncing. 500 feet. It's 500 feet total elevation climb. And it's short, it's some steep hills, so it does get your heart rate up. It really is an out and back, even though it is a loop. I couldn't loop it. How to get here, you're gonna be off San Dieguito Road, and you'll see a trail marker here. I'll put it up on the video. Let's talk about the things that you need to know as well if you plan on coming, which I don't really recommend. There's not much to this hike that you really should be checking out unless you're nearby in the area, want to do a 2.5 mile hike. Something that is a little bit challenging because there's some hills on this. So part of Black Mountain Open Space, I mentioned that. It's not part of it, but it's next to it, so you can connect it if you want. There's maps around for that. This is also part of the Costa Crest. So there is a sign here for that, which is really interesting. If you're curious about that, a lot of work went into connecting all those trails. It starts all the way from Vulcan Mountain in Julian and ends up really at the ocean, right? And I'll put a little image of that here. No facilities, so everything you're doing is outdoors. Keep that in mind. This is an urban hike, right? The road's here, you do go down. It's nice to hear the creek down there. But that's about the best part of this hike, to be honest. Right now, post-summer, still looks pretty dead out here. I would imagine this is a lot prettier after some rain. Watch for mountain bikes. They are around. This is an area for them. Really, this trail is better for mountain biking and running than it is for hiking. All right, I want to do a better job of ending this video. So the reason I don't recommend this is both sides where you can technically loop this, really a dead end. You can keep going, but it was very overgrown, not well maintained. Did not want to deal with like ticks on the dog, anything like that. So I opted to basically go back the same way that I came. I'll show the map here one more time. You guys can see the 2 stops where I basically turned around. For that reason, not really recommended. And with that, I'll see you guys next week.